Welcome to another special edition of Magician in the Kitchen. In this video, I'll share with you one of my favorite Chinese New Year recipe, a modern version of Nian Gao, which is also known as the New Year rice cake, and it's made to look like a koi fish. This makes a perfect gift for your family and friends during the Lunar New Year visits. Welcome to Magician in the Kitchen. My name is Oslin, and I'm actually a professional illusionist and a magician. But I also love to cook. On this channel, I will be posting videos on food, cooking, kitchen tips, and everything in between to help you be a magician in your very own kitchen. I'm going to show you how you can impress your family and friends with homemade dishes prepared with simple ingredients. Most of the recipes I provide are tried and true recipes I personally make on a weekly basis. Others will have a strong enough flair such that you can prepare them for special occasions. With simple to follow instructions, I will guide you step by step in creating your own delicious meals at home. If you want to catch more of these videos, make sure you smack that subscribe button. And now, let the magic begin. Today we're going to make Nian Gao, also as Nian Gao in Mandarin, something like that. I don't speak Mandarin. But sometimes translated as year cake or Chinese New Year's cake. It is a food prepared from glutinous rice flour and traditionally consumed during the Chinese New Year. It is considered good luck to eat Nian Gao during this time because Nian Gao is a homonym for a higher year. As such, eating Nian Gao is a symbolism of raising oneself taller in each coming year. Li Nian Gao Sing is how we say it in Cantonese. It is also known as a sticky rice cake. The sticky sweet snack was believed to be an offering to the kitchen god, with the aim that his mouth will be stuck with the sticky rice cake so he cannot badmouth the human family in front of the Jade Emperor. Today I'll teach you how to make a modern version of Nian Gao, which is made to look like a koi fish. Fish symbolizes surplus and fortune, and koi symbolize wealth and success. Fish has its Chinese pronunciation as yu, and the homonym is yu, which means surplus and fortune. So there's a blessing speech in Cantonese or in Chinese called Lin Lin Yao Yu, which means may you have surpluses and bountiful harvests every year. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. First, we need to find a fish mold. They come in different sizes and makes, and sometimes they're plastic and sometimes they are metal. You can even find them in silicones nowadays. The plastic ones are the easiest to find. If you're in Vancouver, BC, you can head down to Chinatown to Tinland Cookware on Pender Street. Or if you're in Richmond, BC, you can head down to Yauhan Center on the second floor. There's a kitchen supply store that has it as well. Now, if you're in Hong Kong, you can definitely find it in Shanghai Street in Kowloon between Mongkok and Yau Ma Tei. That's the one that I have, the metal one. If you're located anywhere else in Canada, USA, you can try your local Chinatown stores, or you can definitely find it on Amazon. Now let's start with the ingredients. 200 grams of glutinous rice flour, 糯米粉, 100 grams of wheat starch, 澄面粉, 160 to 180 grams of sugar. Now this depends if you like it sweeter or less sweet. I prefer it to be 160 because I don't like it too sweet. 400 milliliters of coconut milk, which is practically one full can. 150 ml of water. Also, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, orange, icing food coloring, or any other color if you wish. First, boil the water and sugar together on medium heat until the sugar is dissolved into a syrup. Now, you don't want to overboil the water or else the liquid will dry. So you just want the sugar to be melted with the water. Place the syrup aside to cool after it's all ready. Next, you want to fill in your steamer pot with water and turn on your stove to high heat. Now measure the 2 flours, then sift the 2 flours together. After that, you want to stir in your coconut milk. You want to stir it till there's no lumps so the batter is nice and smooth. Now stir in the sugar syrup and oil into the flour mixture as well. Now you want to remove half a cup of flour batter and mix the orange food coloring into it. Use as much food coloring as needed to achieve the color you want. If you are using a metal mold like myself, you want to place that mold into the steamer to heat it up. Next, you want to brush vegetable oil onto the fish mold so that you can remove the Nian Gao easily when it is done. Fill in the parts of the fish mold that you want that has orange color first and steam it for 3 minutes. Then top it off with the plain white flour batter and steam for another 3 minutes. Add more plain white flour batter into the mold and then pour some orange ones into it to give that mix to create spots on a koi fish. Then top off the plain batter to the very top and steam it for 40 minutes on high heat. Remove it from the steamer and let it cool for a bit, and use a metal spatula, go around the edge of the mold and then flip it upside down and release the fish from the mold. And now place 2 red beans for the eyes. Abracadabra! Here's your fish Nian Gao, or Nian Gao, or Nian Gao. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that alarm button so you get notification when a new video gets loaded up. If you have any questions, please post it at the comment section below and I will do my best to reply. Until the next episode of Magician in the Kitchen, have a magical day.